Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we will discuss exercise 4b, in which we have to find out the LCM of the following numbers by common multiple method. First question we have 4, 6 and 8. We have to find the common multiple of all these numbers. Let's have a look. We have numbers 4, 6 and 8. For taking common multiple of all the numbers, I took 2 because 2 is the common multiple of all these 4, 6 and 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 1s are 2, 3 because 3 is not in table of 2, so we write 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4. Next is 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, and the last we got 3. By taking all the numbers 2, 2, 2 and 3, we got 24 as LCM of 4, 6 and 8. Part number 2 you can do by the same method. So part number 2 you have to do by yourself, 10, 15 and 20. Now we have find the LCM of the following number by prime factorization. We have to find prime factorization of the given questions. Moving towards question number 2, we have to find the LCM of the following number by prime factorization. What is the method of finding LCM by prime factorization? You have to find the prime factors of all the numbers one by one, then pick out the highest degree of the factor. Understand? Let's have a look. We have a question, students. 45, 75 and 125. Take prime factors of 45, 75 and then 125. We got 335 for 45, 355 for 75 and 555 for 125. Now what is the degree of 3? Degree of 3 is 3 square because we have 2 times of 3 and 1 5. 3 1 time 3 and 2 times 5 means 5 square. 3 times 5. What would be the LCM then? LCM will be the highest degree. In at LCM we have the highest degree. We have the highest degree of 3 is 3 square because here is only 3 square, and degree of 5 is 5 cube. So I took LCM as 5 cube and 3 square. 5 cube will give us 125, 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125 and 3 square gives us 9. So when we multiply 125 and 9, we got 1125. This is the method for finding prime factorization of numbers by prime factorization method. Finding LCM of numbers by prime factorization method. By using the same method, you can find out the LCM of the following parts: part number 2, part number 4 and part number 3. You can do all these parts by using the same method. Understand? In question number 3, we have to find the LCM of the following numbers by the method of division. In division method, we have to find prime factorization by both numbers. Prime factorization of both the numbers, or how many numbers are given, depends upon by taking co-prime factorization. Understand? So first question is 45 and 50. Let's have a look. Students, now we have to take common LCM of both 45 and 50 by using prime factorization from smallest number, means from 2. 45 is not in table of 2. We will move towards 50. 2 25 is a 50. 3 15 is a 45. 25 is as it is. 3 5 is a 15. 25 is not in table of 3, so we will write 25 as it is. 5 1s are 5. 5 5 is a 25 and then 5 1s are 5. So what are the prime factors here? Prime factors are 2, 3, 3, 5 and 5. By multiplying all these factors, we got LCM of the given numbers, which is 450. Student, now we have question number 3, part number 4. We have 36, 54, 72, 96 and 108. You have to find out the common prime factorization of all these numbers. Understand? You have to start with the least number, means you have to start with 2, and whenever a number comes for a multiple of 2, you have to continue that table, means 2 2 2 2 2 till we have not any single factor for 2. Understand? So then we will move towards the next number 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. If there is also a number or a factor for 2, then we will use 2 again. If not, then we will go towards the next number. Understand? So you have to follow the next number unless we have no multiple remaining for that number. Understand? Then we have 2 3 4 5 times 2 and 3 times 3. 5 times 2 means we have 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 and 3 raised to power 3 means 3 times 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 32 multiplied by 27, we got 864 as LCM of 36, 54, 72, 96 and 108. In question number 4, we have to find the lowest number divisible by 15, 20 and 25. You have to just find LCM of 15, 20 and 25. So, by taking LCM of 15, 20 and 25, we got 2 times 2, 3 and 2 times 5. And the answer will be 300. So, we can say that 300 is the least common multiple or the lowest number divisible by 15, 20 and 25. In question number 5, we have find the lowest number between 200 and 500 which leaves a remainder of 3 in each case when divided by 8 and 12 and 30. First of all, we have to note it that the LCM should be clear between 8 and 12 and 30 and the remainder will be 3 in every number. So how can we solve it? We can take LCM of all the numbers. Let's have a look. First of all, we take LCM of 8 and 12 and 30 starting with 2. So by multiplying 3 times 2, 3 and 5, we got LCM is equals to 120. But we are given with the number of LCM must be greater than 200 and less than 500. So we know that number should be greater than 200 with 3 as remainder. So 120 ones are 120, which is not possible because it is less than 200. 122s are 240, means it is greater than 200, but the remainder should also be added. So by adding 3 as remainder, we got 243 is the number between 200 and 500 which leaves a remainder of 3 in each case when divided by 8 and 12 and 30. Moving towards question number 6, we have find the smallest number which when divided by 12, 15, 18 and 27 leaves as remainders of 8, 11, 14 and 23. So we have remainder of 12 is 8, remainder of 15 is 11, remainder of 18 is 14 and 27 is for 23. So by taking LCM of all the numbers 12, 15, 18 and 27, we got 540. Have a look. By taking LCM of 12, 15, 18 and 27, we got 540. So as the remainders are all same, we got 4, 4, 4, 4. So since all the remainders, so the number will be for remainders are same as 4. So number will be 540 minus 4, which is 536. Understand? Now moving towards question number 7, we have find the smallest number of 4 digits which when divided by 40, 50, 60 leaves a remainder of 5 in each case. Let's have a look over it. We took LCM of 40, 50 and 60. Then we got 3 times 2, 3 and 2 times 5. The multiplication results in LCM 600. So the multiples of 600 will be 600, 1200 and 1800 and so on. But we are searching for smallest 4-digit number. So we took 1200 as the first smallest 4-digit number. And remainder is 5. So we will take 1200 plus 5 as remainder. And this will gives us 1205. So we can conclude that 1205 is the smallest number which is divisible by 40, 50 and 60 with leaves a remainder of 5. Understand? So students, you have to complete question number 1 to 7 from page number 59 of exercise 4B and do practice all the questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.